Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing an unboxing video from Hardy.com. Hardy.com is a website that sells succulents. Before I get into opening this package, let's go ahead and look at their website and let's see what they have going on. Okay guys, so here we are in the Hardy.com. As you can see, they have a variety of succulents. They come in a 2-inch pot. Well, they have other sizes too, but in this section, there's 2-inch pots, and you can get them in different packs. You get a 2-pack, a 4-pack, or a 6-pack. And they do have many different varieties. Look, that one was the pink sunrise that I received, and then this one here is the pearl Nurnberg that I got. And then they have topsy-turvy. I believe that one of the ones I got is an Echeveria blue fairy. And look, the flapjacks, those are so nice and they grow so big and they give you so many babies. That is a good buy right there. And then I believe I received this one, Echeveria Captain Hay. And they have, look, they have an assorted pack that you can pick from there. And they are having free shipping, guys. And then they have also cuttings, and you can also pick how many cuttings you would like, different amounts there, as you can see, in different prices, and by color as well. They also have items on sale that you can check out. Here are some of their plants that are on sale. They also have a section for trailing plants. Let's see, right there. Here they are. They have the string of pearls, the burrito one, other ones that I don't have. So they have a good variety, guys. I hope you guys do check them out and take advantage of their free shipping. Let's get back to the unboxing. Okay guys, now for the unboxing. So guys, let's see what we have here. First, you will receive a little card with information. So simple care instructions. So it tells you to immediately move the plants out. Water when soil is dry to the touch, which is approximately 7 to 10 days. Our promise to you: nursery fresh succulents, every plant, every order. So this is their phone number and this is their website. Guys, so right now they're having free shipping, no minimum order, free shipping. So after watching this video, I suggest you go and run to the website because I don't know how long they're gonna have that for, and check them out. Let's see what we got here. So it's a box within a box, very good, to keep everything secure. So I didn't know I was gonna have like a tape box. You know, I'm just gonna open it. I'm gonna rip the box open right here. Oh. I don't know what's in here, so we'll have to see together. Oh, so cute, guys. Look at that. Let me open these. Let me take it out of the box. Okay, guys, so they have different packs that they sell. So this is a 2-inch 4-pack of assorted rosettes. So these are the rosettes I received. They look really good condition. A little bit of dirt, but it's not something that's hard to clean off. You can also, what I've been wanting to do and I keep forgetting, do you guys remember those little suction things that they used to use for, well, not that they used to use, but they still use for babies to take out their boogies? Well, you can actually blow on this with that really inside and get it cleaned up. So these are the plants that I got, and I want to thank Hardy for sending them. They are so beautiful and they look in really good condition. I'll pop these up and show you how nicely they clean up. Okay guys, here I potted them all up. They were pretty easy to clean up. Only one I would say looks a little thirsty, but that is to be expected during shipping. So I'll just give her a little drink of water and she should perk up right away. I don't know the names right off the bat of these. I know that this one is the Nurnberg. I know that this one is, I think it says, like I read it before, it's something Anacampus. I can't remember. But these are a beautiful addition to my collection. I want to say many thanks to Hardy.com for sending me these beautiful plants. Thank you so much. Guys, I recommend that you check them out. The shipping was really quick. They track you. You get emails tracking your own order. You don't even have to track it yourself, because I got emails every step of the way letting me know when it went out, letting me know that it was out for delivery, and then I got another email letting me know that it was put in my box for me to pick up. So thank you so much, Hardy.com, and thank you guys for watching. You guys have a blessed day.